People ask me, well, Red, Red, what race are you? Motherfucker, I'm a mutt. Well, Red, you look black. I say, well, peep this out. Peep this out, y'all. Now, if a dark person got white features, do they make him white? I'm a mutt. I don't give a fuck about nationality. We're all one. The spiritual world is the world that we came from. We're all one. Until everybody realizes and understands that, there won't be no unity. Unity is very important. We're all one. I love all y'all. But nobody loves me. I don't give a fuck. All I got on my mind is killing the police. I hate the police. But the police, I hate the fucking police.
What's that?
I didn't stutter. I said I hate the police, bro. Y'all just saw a dick before, haven't you? I want to talk about the government. I would like to kill Pete Wilson, three strikes shit. I hate him with a passion. I also want to kill Governor, what's his name? Ray? Ah, fuck him. Fuck him. And I gotta point out, this is how I point. Fuck the police. That's all I got to say, is fuck the police. Fuck the police. I don't care about the police. They'll never take me alive. I've been on the run for 20 years. They'll never catch me. If they catch me, they better kill me. If they don't kill me, I'm gonna kill them. You don't fuck with a dog. I'm a smooth criminal. I ain't a criminal. This is like Nixon said. Nixon said, I'm not a crook. I'm not a crook. I'm your president. Yeah, motherfucker. So what about the tapes? What about the tapes, though? What about the motherfucking tapes? What's up with that, Mr. President? That only president I ever liked it was Lincoln and Clinton. Clinton was getting his shit sucked in the overall. Monica whiskey. The overall. Sticking cigars up our pussy and shit, putting it in his mouth, say that tastes good.
What do you think about President Bush?
Fuck him. Fuck him. Fuck him and his father. I like the Clinton. At least he was doing the right thing. Getting his duck sucked in the Oval. He was the first black president. Bill Clinton. That was my boy. I loved it, him. Monica Lewinsky. I would have got my... She was the intern. He said, fuck that, intern this. He couldn't help himself. He's human. Shit. We're on the beach right now. I see so many homeless kids. It's 11 old kids on this beach. Smoking weed, drinking. Uncle Ray, you need a joint? What are you doing with that joint? Where your mom, where you doing? I want to run away. You know something? It brings a tear to my eye. All I gotta say, first of all, is fuck the police. Police shot me in my back, 1982. I'm coming out of the stove. They had people lined up on the wall, shit and everything. They're gonna tell me to come here. Hey, you come over here. Get your ass down on the ground. I said, man, what the fuck y'all doing, man? I turned my back, and motherfucker shot me in my back. Why do it happen? Answer the questions. There's no one here to answer the question. I'll answer the question. Why? It's called ignorance. We were together for 23 years, motherfucker. That was my boo. Debbie boo. Debbie. We have never had one argument. 23 years. Not one argument. But we so cool. We so cool. I said, where you been? I said, where you been? I said, I don't know. But the cops killed him. Fucked up. You don't hear me. You don't hear me. Fuck the police. I ain't mad at him, but I'm mad. I ain't mad, but all I got to do is do this. Fuck the police. They could kiss my motherfucking butt.